To keep your imop in top condition and ensure the best cleaning results, there is some maintenance you should do. In this video, we are going to show you the monthly maintenance step by step. First, turn off your imop and put it in storage position. Then, take off the batteries and put them on the official charger. Make sure to fully recharge the batteries at least once a month to keep them in good condition. Then, it's time for the tanks. Make sure you first remove the empty iDose cup. After that, take off the clean water tank and empty it. Screw off the filter at the bottom, like this. Clean the filter under running water and make sure it isn't blocked. Here you can see what a blocked filter and a clear filter looks like. When it's clean, put it back in the solution tank. This is also the perfect time to refill the iDose storage on the clean water tank. You can do this by simply pushing the iDose cups into place. Make sure you don't put the tank down on the filter, as this can damage it. Always put the tank down like this. Then, take off the dirty water tank and take out the floating ball system. Rinse it with clean water. When done, put it back. Then empty the dirty water tank and add fresh water to it. Shake it gently and clean it with the provided brush. Then, empty it again. It is also important to thoroughly clean the squeegee and check it for any damages. Take it off with equal force so you don't damage the metal pins. Now, you are able to check the squeegee for any damages. In this first example, you see that the squeegee blades are worn out, not straight and simply broken. These cannot be used anymore and should be replaced for an optimal cleaning result. In the next example, you can see that the wheels are completely worn out. This will mean that the squeegee blade won't be placed on the ground properly. The state of the wheel can be checked by this indication line. If the wheel goes over this line, it should be replaced. And lastly, you can see the wheels are completely clogged with hair and debris. If this is the case, the wheels should be cleaned. To replace the squeegee blades, you'll first have to take the old ones out. You can do this in a few easy steps. First, screw off the 4 knobs at the back of the squeegee. Then take out the 4 metal pins. You can now take off the outer part and remove the old blade. Do the same for the inner part. Then clean both parts of the blade holder. To properly attach the new squeegee blades, make sure you place the squeegee blade at the right side of the blade holder. Make sure the blade with the pointy sides is placed on the outside, and the blade with the U-shaped cutouts or the arrows pointing down is placed on the inside of the blade holder. You can then attach the new squeegee blades by pushing the cutouts into the blade holder. Reattach the outer parts and put back the metal pins. For the inside pins, use these. Then use the shortest pins for the holes that are on the outside. And lastly, use these pins for the holes in the middle. Now you can screw back the 4 knobs. The squeegee blades are now correctly replaced. The brushes are next. Take them off by rotating the right one to the right and the left one to the left, like this. Then clean them with running water. Also, notice this yellow brush indicator. When the brushes go over this indication line, it is time to replace the brush. It's important to keep the dirty water hose clean and in good condition. To clean the dirty water hose, you will have to take it out. First, detach the top part of the hose and detach the middle section. Then lower the scrub deck and pull out the bottom part of the hose. Then screw off the white connector and clean it with water. Then do the same with the black connector. Clean the hose by letting fresh water run through it. Then reattach both connectors. Now it's time to put back the dirty water hose. First, reattach the top part. Put down the scrub deck and reattach the bottom part. Pull up the scrub deck and make sure the bottom connector is attached correctly. You can do this by pressing it down firmly. Then, make sure the middle section is placed in the designated spot. Now is a good time to clean the exterior of the imop to keep it in good condition. Then put back the dirty water tank and the solution tank. Remember to leave off the caps so the tanks can ventilate. Then take a damp cloth with only water and clean the scrub deck. Take extra care in cleaning these water nozzles, as this enables the imop to give water. Then take off the splash guards. You can do this by pulling it away from the scrub deck. You can now clean them under running water. When clean, put them back by placing them like this and push them into place. When all clean, put back the brushes by rotating the right one to the left and the left one to the right. Then put the squeegee back into place, again, with the same force on each side so you don't damage the metal pins. Do these steps monthly, and your imop will always give you the best cleaning results. If you need more information or want to submit a service request, please scan this QR code.